Good morning students. Today I am going to teach you maths lesson addition by carrying over. So all of them see. Now look here. Salma has 7 strings of tens and 7 single bits which makes 77 bits. And Sonu has 8 strings of tens and 5 single bits that makes 85 bits. Now look here. Salma's has altogether 7 strings of tens, and here it is a single bits of tens. Altogether how many is here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So means 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 70 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 70 plus 7, it is altogether 77 bits. So same way, Sonu has 1 string 10 bits. So here it is, look here. There are altogether 8 strings of 10 bits. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So, and 5 bits of singles. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 80 plus 5. So, altogether there are 85 bits. Now, when they put together the string and bits that the two of them have, and they got 15 strings of 10 and 12 single bits. Now, 10 units is 1 tenth. So, they made 1 strings of 10 using 10 of the 12 single bits. So, they had 2 single bits left. So, now they had 16 strings of tens altogether. 10 tens make 100. For example, 20 tens make how many 100? You should tell me, students. They strung together then 10 strings of 10 and got 1 strings of 100. Then they had 6 strings of 10 left over. So look here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there is a 5 string, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here there are, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 strings of 10 bits, means 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And here are 2 singles bits, means altogether how many there are? 162 bits. And thus on bringing together all the bits, they got 1 strings of 100 and 6 strings of tens and 2 single bits. And here there is a these things here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All together there are 10 strings of bits. Means altogether how many there are? 100. So 162 bits. So write the proper number in the empty boxes. See here, in two or three examples I am going to solve it here. So you have to say it. Write the proper number in the empty boxes. So look here. 15 tens means so look here, 15 tens means dash is equal to 100 dash 10 series. So how you have to write here? 15 tens means you have to write here 100 5 tens. How you have to write? 100 5 tens. So again they are given here 70 tens means dash box 100 dash tens. So you have to write here 107 tens. 107 tens. So here look here, 300 2 tens is equal to how many tens? So 300 and 2 tens is equal to how many tens? We have to write here 32 tens. 32 tens. 302 tens. It means 32 tens we have to write here. Same way, 403 tens is equal to dash tens. So we have to write here 4 and here 3. So 403 tens is equal to 43 tens. I hope. So I have solved this to two examples. So you have to solve this in your notebook. Again, addition by carrying over. So look here, students. So here we will do your addition. So 100 tens unit. Now look at student. It is given in 100 tens units. So here it is given the number 1, In 100 column there is given a 1, and 10 columns they are given 3. In unit columns they are given a 5. Again plus in 100 column, under the 100 column they are given 4. In 10 columns they are given 7, and in 5 columns they are given a 6. So first we are, while doing the addition, first we have to divide the unit set. So 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6 how many? 11. So we have to write here 1, carry 1 here. So 1 plus 3. So 1 tens plus 3 tens how many? 4, and here it is 7. It again 11. So 11 tens, carry 1 here. Again in 100 columns we have to count here 100, 200, and here is 4. So 4 plus, then it is 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. So here it is a 6. How many? 611. The answer is 611. 600, 1 tens, 1 units. So answer is 611. So same way you have to write here 100 tens unit. In 100 columns they are given a 2. In 10 columns they are given a 4. In unit columns they are given a 7. So you have to do a plus signs. Again in 100 columns you have to do a 5. In 10 columns you have to write a 1. And in unit columns you have to write a 7. So in unit columns, first we have to plus in this side. In unit column 7 plus 7 is 14. So 4, write here 1, carry 1 here. So 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. So same way 2 plus 5. In 100 columns we have to count here. 200 plus 500 is 7. So 700, 6 tens, 4 units. So answer is 764. I hope this understood, student. So look here, 100 tens units. While addition, first we are adding by unit column. So 0 plus 0. What will be the answer? 0. Then in 10 columns, 5 tens plus 6 tens. How many students? Again there is a 5 plus 5, 10, and 1, 11. So carry 1 here. So in 100 columns, again 1 plus 8. So 100 plus 800 we will get 900. So it is 900, 1 tens, 0 units. So the answer is 910. Again 100 tens unit. So again you have to write here in unit columns 2. So again 4 units plus 5 units. Again you have to plus here 9. There is here given in 10 columns 9 and 4. And again you plus here in unit column 5. For the starting addition we start with by the unit column. So 2 10 plus 4 tens plus 5 tens. How many students? So again it is 11. Then carry 1 here. Again 1 tens plus 3 tens plus 9 tens. How many? 13. So carry 1 here. Again 100 plus 400 we get here 5. So means 500, 3 tens, 1 units. The answer is 531. Again same way 100 tens unit. First you have to write here 395. So in 100 columns they are given 3. In 10 columns it is given a 9, and in unit column it is given a 5. So plus again they are given you 10 column 6. In unit column given 2. Plus it again they are given in 10 columns we have to underwrite here 8, and in unit columns we have to write here 4. So while adding the first from the unit column we get 5 plus 2, 5 unit plus 2 unit plus 4 unit. How many students? 11. So carry 1 here. 1 10 plus 9 10 plus 6 10 plus 8. How many? 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 6 16. 16 plus 8. It is 24. Carry 1 2. So in 100 columns 200 plus 300 it is 500. So 500, 4 tens, 1 unit. The answer is 541. I hope the students you understood. From the page number 52 you have to solve this in your notebook as well as your reliable book. So one more example, arrange vertically and add. I will solve one example, then you have to solve it in your book. So 235 plus 146. So same way, in first you have to write down 200 3 times 5 units plus 100 4 times 6 units. So in first column while adding we have to add by the unit column. So 5 unit plus 6 unit, how many? 11. So carry 1 here. Then 1 tens plus 3 tens 4 and 4 plus 4 is 8 units. Again in 100 columns there are 200 plus 100, it is a 300. So 300, 8 tens 1 unit. Your answer is 381. So again example I am giving here. HTU. So look here, 5, 3, 6 plus 2, 3, 6 plus 1, 9. So now look here, 100 tens in it. In 100 columns they have written 5, in 10 columns they are given 3, in unit columns they are given 6. Again, here in 100 columns they are given 2, in 10 columns they are given 3, in 100 unit column they are given 6. So plus in 10 columns they are given 1 and in unit columns they are given 9. So what will be the answer here? 6 unit plus 6 unit, how many? 12 units. 12 units plus 9 is 21. So again carry 1 2 here. So in 10 units, 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1. So 2 tens plus 3 tens plus 3 tens plus 1. How many? So look here. 2 plus 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here it is a 9 tens. Again in 100 columns, 500 plus 200. How many we get? 700. So it is a 700, 9 tens, 1 units. So your answer is 791. I hope this student you have understood. Solve this exercise in your notebook. Page number 52. Page number 50, 52 and 53. I hope you understood this. So solve this in your notebook. So next time we will solve the word problem. So I hope you understood this problem. So I am going to tell you one thing. Look here students, in a practice paper I have given you fill in the blanks. So I am going to do the revision. So look here, 10 tens make 100 and that is 100. Means how many? 10 tens make 100, that is 100. So you have to write here 10 tens. What you have to write? 10 tens. For example, if I given here 40 tens make a 400, that is 400. Means how you will write that? So you should write here 40 tens. Now look here, square has how many sides? You have to draw the square and you have to tell me 1, 2, 3, 4. How many sides are there? There are altogether 4 sides. So all of them you have to study. So all of them you have to solve from the textbook. So they are given there. They are given the rectangle, quadrilateral, square, triangle, circle. So you should know the name of the figure, name of the edges, and how many name of the number of corners. So in that way you have to write here. For example, you have given your figure, name of the figure. So name of the figure, what you are going to write here? So you have to write here circle. So how many number of edges of circles have? They are having only one. What? How many edges? Only one, and they no have corners. So again they are given us here square. The name of the figure is second picture is square. So how many edges of square is here? 4. And how many number of edges are there? 4. So they are having the both sides are 4. So in this way you have to write here. So again they ask you write in words. Spelling 37, then again they told you 95. So while writing the spelling also you have to write properly, students. If there are straight edges, some of the students they are not written and 201, 225, first letter capital, then it will be all the small letter. In middle only you should not write capital letter. Your answer will be wrong because in weekly paper some of the students have done that mistake. So don't do that silly mistake again. So match the following. Look here, A group and B group. They are given here 20 tens. Match the column. 20 tens means 200. 40 tens means how many? 400. Circle the 3-digit number. You know it. How many number? First here, for example, 5, 6, 3, 2. It is a 4 digits. Again they are given a 3 digits, and again they are given a 4 digits. So you have to circle the 3 digits number. So you have to circle the 3 digits number. So write in figures. They are given in the 27. So you have to write just number. Write in figure means you have just write the number, means 27. Again they are given a 92. So you have to write here 92. So find the 100 in tens and in units in each of the following numbers and fill in the boxes. They are given the kagons, 100, tens, units in figure and in words. So see the picture. They are given a 100. In that box there are altogether 100, and here it is given the unit how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it will be a 107. In figure also you have to write a 107, and you have to write the spelling 107, 107. You have to write that way. So in this picture also it is a, you have to cut this word up, and it is given the picture here 103. Same way in figure also you have to write here 103, and you have to write here 103. You just don't write 103, 103, and if you not written you will get it wrong. So write the after number in box. This also you know it very well. 407, then which number is coming? 408. Same way you have to do that way. Look at the picture and write the number in figure and words. So look here, they are given here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dots, black dots. In triangle they are given how many? 8. 8 tens they are given, and look here 100, how many given here? 3. So you have to write here 387. 387. You have to count this. See here how many hundreds are there? 1, 2, 3. And how many tens are there? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So you have to write here 387 and 387. You have to write in words. I hope you understood this picture, students. So look here, using each of the given digit only once, make the 3 digits number. So they are given here 6, 7, 8. So you have to write here 6, 8, 7. Again you have to write here 7, 6, 8. Again 8, 7, 6. In this way you have to write here. Then you know that write the next number of 105, then which number is coming? 106. Put the right symbol, which is a greater and which is a smaller. I should not tell you this thing. It is very easy. So you can solve this. Again write in ascending and descending order of the order. So you have to see the ascending order and descending order. Ascending order means what? And descending order. So you have to solve this properly. Again using once the given digit, prepare figures and smallest number. So it is in small number. They are given 9 and 4. And in second column it is given 67, 32. So in small figure number, which will going to come number, you have to write here 4. And again in the second column you have to write here 32. Again bigger number they are asked bigger number. So you have to write here 9. So only one number they had asked, that number you had to look and you had to write. In second column again they had given 67 and 32, which is a bigger number, 67. So only one number 67 big in bigger column number, in that column you had to write 67. I hope you understood. Don't write two numbers. They asked only one number. In smaller number you had to write only 4. In second column they had to write only 32. So in this way you had to solve this. So write any three numbers that come before the given number. So 99 after dash, which number is coming? You have to write here in 3-digit number. It is very easy. These simple things I am not going to tell you. So in 100 tens unit, you know it very well. 540 plus 35. So you have to write here 540 plus again in 10 column 35. So this you have to add this and you have to do the addition. So again in the here it is given next question, write expanded form of numbers. So look students, 300 plus 0 plus 6. For example, I am giving you 400 plus 0 plus 7. So how we will going to write 400 plus 7 means 407. So in this way you have to solve this and you have to write here. So again they are given 800 plus 10 plus 12 means what? 810 plus 2 means how many? 812. 10 plus 2 is 12. So 812. So 812 you have to write here. So fill in the boxes. Look here properly. 321 they are given. After that which number is coming? You have to write here. 321, 322, 323. In this way you have to solve. You have to write in this box. Again look at the figure and name. So student, look here, it is given a figure and name. Just figure, you have to write the figure's name. Rectangle, then name. So in this way, and word problem. So solve the word problem whether it is a plus sign or whether it is a subtraction. I should not tell you. So solve it this way, any one. If you know both, you can solve both. And best of luck students. Do your study and do the revision of your paper and solve your paper without looking.